Okay, here we are, the moment of truth. Right now, this is just a Lovable project, but we're going to publish this thing and make it a real website. And then anybody can visit it, and it's there. But I'm also going to add a custom domain because this is going to be a real site. So I'm going to connect the domain I already own, and it is called *.com, which is a good one. And what does this say? Cloud traffic through a CDN or proxy. Okay. Seeing Cloudflare, getting my setup details. I'm going to authorize it. Okay. It's going to add some stuff. This is technical. All you got to do is press the button, though. Bam. Now, if you have a GoDaddy account or something like that, just as easy as that, and you're up and running. So, it should work. Let's test it out, shall we? It might take a little bit, 72 hours to do it, but let's check it anyways. Usually takes a minute or two. The magic of internet. We'll wait a minute and wait till this thing's up and running. Or you can go to *.com and see if the site's live.